got to be something that's honest and upfront. If the master, hey, you're going to be one of many. Hey, you're going to be my right hand, the one and only. Or hey, it's going to be you.
Whatever
with
that
some,
conversation,
like whatever that is. Her security is behind from jump. Date 1, week 1, whatever. This is me. This is the rundown. This is what it looks like. Job application. All right. You saw this on the application, right? You knew this when you applied. So from every step there, if that security is maintained, you chose to come on this path. So you have to know he's putting you in this place, this role.
Yep.
What is their insecurity over there that even worries about that conversation? Like what's at its core?
And that's the conversation I think women aren't necessarily having is dealing with their own insecurities at that level, because I'm about to step in it. It's easier to blame the man and say the man's a fuck up, the man's a cheater, all men are dogs. So
I'll devil's advocate. Still coming back to leadership.
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's not even a conversation, because if they were facing the reality of men on their purpose, high value men, masculine men, leaders are attracted and demanded by women, are going to live life that you want to follow because they are leading, and other feminine will follow that. When it's just a standard and known, like if you have a guy that's not interested in that, great. And if you do, you're going to follow him anyway. You're choosing to follow him for those values. Your insecurity, that's why the deeper conversation is your insecurity, and will he leave you? Will you be
replaced,
honored? Exactly.